It is mid-February on the farm, and I'll give you a quick update as to everything that's going on. The garden is not that busy yet, but it's about to be, and we have tons of seeds. Over here we do have a few raised beds that I am building. This one I've already filled, and the chickens have already used it as a dust bath, but they're getting a run soon, so this is going to be taken care of. I've got a couple here that I haven't filled, and another one that I just plan on making. One of those beds is going to be for my son so he can have a garden this year, and the others are just going to be for herbs and other things like that. So in this garden I did plant peas. They did not come up, and I have a feeling that our chickens ate all the seed. So I'm going to try to start some from seeds, transplant them, and yes, put the chickens up because they're a problem. Other than that, the garden is still a mess. I do plan on getting out here and cleaning all of this up soon. I did get another beehive. This was my hive from last year. They don't have bees in it. I lost them at the end of fall. But now I've got 2 here, and hoping that will help with the numbers. So yeah, I got this new hive. I'm pretty excited about that. Bees is probably one of the things that I'm most excited about. And after I got them last year, I loved it. So I really want to get more. I plan to have about 5 hives. I don't know about this year, but eventually. So super exciting. It was the coolest thing ever. And one thing that I did to catch those, I caught a wild hive for that first one last year. And all I did was put a Ziploc baggie with a paper towel, soaked it in lemongrass, poked a whole bunch of holes in the bag, and stuffed it in that hive. That attracts that lemongrass oil gives like the pheromones the same scent as a queen, and within a week I had bees in the hive, which was so cool. But we have a ton of like bees out here, so but yeah, I don't know, I just learned that trick from a friend and thought I would tell you guys. Saffron right here is looking good. It's just kind of dormant. And then this garden, we haven't done anything. I need to get out here and get it all cleaned up, but I will in the next few weeks. The chickens are doing great. They're just eating away. We've got some baby chicks inside also. We've got seeds started. This is a bunch of herbs here. Tomatoes and peppers is in this tray. And this morning I saw a few little ones start to come up, which you can't really see it. It's not gonna focus. But this is my tray of peppers and tomatoes. Now this was a tray that's really leggy, if you can see it. I actually forgot about it on the top shelf that doesn't have lights. I just set it up there one day, and this is all my lettuces and things, so I'm trying to hopefully have that bounce back. Tray of flowers that's not up yet. Some cabbages. Down low we've got more cabbages over there in the corner. And then celery and some bunching onions and parsley is in that tray. It's not wanting to focus because of these lights. They're there though, if you can see them. There. This is all Chinese cabbages and kales and things. I've got 2 trays of onions and then another tray of cabbages over here. So we're just getting started, but it's coming along. So here's our little chickies. We've got 6 little babies. Now these came from our rooster and our hens that we have. So I'm excited to see them. They're a mix of like cuckoo Morans and then midnight Morans. So they're getting their little feathers. Let me see if I can zoom in because the camera is freaking them out. They're starting to get their little feathers. They're in that little ugly duckling phase. Look at you, little handsome. And that's about it for mid-February. Just some seeds started, some baby chicks, and getting out in the garden and starting to clean that. Yeah, I will see you guys next week. It might be a couple of weeks just because things are a little bit slow right now, but yeah, I'll see you guys next time.